Hello, I am Ignalia from Siamalek. This is a video how to use the user interface inside of GDevelop. When you open the GDevelop, so you will see the area, project manager, and the start page. You can see getting started, community, let's project, and let's news. If the game is opened, the project manager on the left is empty. So let's go on ahead to make a new project. Begin on click file and new. So we will taken by this pop-up. And this pop-up show the option what kind of project we will to make. So we will to make a native game or HTML5 game. In here, let's choose HTML5, and here you can create empty project, or you can create a new project based on template. In here, let's choose platformer, and here you can choose create the new project button. On the left here we have project manager. Don't be overwhelmed by all of these things like here. We will explain what things all mean in our tutorial, so please just keep watching this video because we will cover everything about this template on. This is the project manager on left here. This is where you manage your project. In here you can add new scene, which means where you add new level inside of your game. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. Then this is in the middle is where your level scene, and in the scene we have the scene editor and event editor. And then we have the object editor, on the right. The object editor is where you edit the object. So you can also group your object, and here you can right click and click and edit, and we can open Sprite Editor to edit your sprite. Here is also where you can see the list. All of your object in your game, and you just drag the object. You just can drag the object like here inside of your game just by drag and drop in side of the scene. Right now on the top here we have this set of icon. Sometimes this is might differ from what you're seeing on my screen because that is because every time you click on your scene, it will to change. Every time you click on something, gonna be changed. And that is also because it is grouped into small tabs. If you have used Microsoft Word, you can know what I'm talking about. So, and this group into small tab. If you don't see, just browse it on the top like here. Click on side of your project windows or follow your tab tutorial which you following. Here we have things which allow you to preview your game, and this makes the preview stop, and this on the scene tab. We will explain all of this for next tutorial, so please just follow along. This is the scene editor. If you want to see the other scene of another level, you can click over here. Please remember if the scene editor have their own level in your game. You can double click the scene in project manager and see your problem. Is there on event editor or in the scene editor? This is your scene editor where you do the level design. This is where you edit your level. This is where you edit your level. It's where you place your main character wherever you want to be placed. And again, over here we have the event editor. The event editor is where you do all of the event. Okay, this is where all of your game mechanism or all of your game logic in visual programming what happened. If you want your player today, if its step is on larva, then you just program or you just do simple like check if player is colliding with larva and destroy the player. It's something very simple, so don't be overwhelmed by this side right here. But it's look complicated, but we will explain all of this to you on the next video, so don't worry. Okay, I am here with you. And that's pretty much it for the user interface. That's pretty much everything you need to know if you got lost in some point. If you got lost in some point, you just repeat the video over and over because I try explain simple way and explain simple tutorial um, on this to add new level on project manager. Scene editor is where you add your scene to edit your level. It is object editor where you can drag the object inside your scene, and in the top here you can preview your scene by click tab scene and preview. And if you want to edit the sprite, you can double click over here, and you can edit. And we have the event editor where is your game logic. It is so simple like that. Thank you for watching, and please keep for watching the next tutorial about developing game. Use GDevelop.